Jungwon, I have question for you. What the fuck? I'll just let them be, I guess.
I want him back. This isn't over.
You're so cute. I just want to give you 1,000 kisses. Alright, bet.
Sunu, I wanna talk to you.
Did you ruin that moment?
Heesung, get the fuck out. I wanna talk to my sunshine.
I'm sorry. Your sunshine?
Yes, my sunshine.
Fuck no, get your ass out.
Ah, fuck no, I'm staying with my sunshine.
Nope, your ass is going to your room before I make you.
Guys, chill out.
Sorry, my
my
sunshine.
sunshine.
Bitch.